right, so we're going to go over the Connecticut home buying process. Connecticut is very distinct from New York in that, one, it's a lot less expensive to buy in, so that's a good thing. But secondly, the realtors actually, in most cases, will prepare the contract. In certain circumstances, the attorney for the seller or the buyer's attorney will respond with a writer, but then this counts almost as the offer and acceptance period all over again. Negotiations start, you're not actually in a firm contract. In most cases, the realtor's contract will be the only contract that is going to be provided. You're going to typically have a specific amount of time to get an inspection, of which when you can, after results are in, you can decide if you want to proceed or not, if the seller's not willing to make the repairs that you request, if any. So after your inspection, we will typically take a $400 fee towards the payment of your title search, because we are charged whether you are closed or not on the search. It's typically $400 that we charge. If there's a variation, we will eat the difference. So after your repairs are agreed upon and your search is ordered, the good thing in Connecticut, title comes back pretty quick, not like in New York. Non-COVID times, average time we'd get titles in 3 business days. During COVID times, we're looking at about a week to a week and a half. So title comes in pretty quick, and it's typically pretty clean, meaning very minimal issues, if any. The seller still has a reasonable amount of time to fix title issues, so keep that in mind. And then you have 2 other things to keep in mind. You have a mortgage deadline that you agreed to, so you have to be really diligent in providing the docs that your lender needs. If we need an extension to that time, please keep in mind, calendar that on your phone, on your calendar. Help us remind the seller's attorney that you need an extension so that one can be requested and granted. If we do not request an extension, then it becomes a cash deal, whether you're getting financing or not. You can still finance, but unfortunately, if you get denied, your money's not returned. So, very important, we're gonna calendar it. Make sure you calendar it. Make sure that you get proof that we send out a request for your extension. Same thing with closing. If we can't meet a closing date, let's send out a request. Closing date's a little bit more flexible. Again, there's no time of the essence in Connecticut, but they will hold us to the closing date within a shorter time frame than New York will. So typical closing in Connecticut, I found to be 30 to 45 days. So it's a lot quicker. And I did mention it was less expensive. Why? There is no mortgage tax in Connecticut. So if you are looking to save on some closing costs and you don't want to pay mortgage tax, well, Connecticut is for you. Feel free to call us with any questions. I'm happy to assist. Hope you're enjoying the videos that you've watched today. They're not meant to be a substitution for speaking with your legal professional, but just an educational tool. Thank you.